Now my sister goes, 6 महीने पहले जो मेरा स्टांस था ना आपके लिए that you are only so famous, it has completely changed.
So आपको ना अच्छे से नहीं करना है. So I said, wait, buddy, wait. This comes naturally. You don't have to say anything. Just show me the step, and whatever I do would be funny.
I always tell him that whenever he dances, he looks cute, adorable.
So that's me, Abhinav. That's
Rubina Dilek. और आप सब देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा.
Rubina and Abhinav, or should we call you Rubinav? That's how you guys are addressed. That's what your fans have been tweeting to us.
Yes.
All right, how are you guys doing?
good.
Fantastic.
How has life changed since the last time we spoke to you together?
I've had good number of days to sleep well, and I look much fresher now, and I am able to rejoice my so-called big boss victory even in a better way.
And I think I'm 15 days older since we last spoke.
No, I'm basically saying when I spoke to both of you together, like say I think before you entered the Big Boss.
Then I'm like 6 months older.
Yes. So how has life changed since then? Before entering and now?
So we've been a lot busy now. We've been a lot happy with the fact that, of course, I'm happy that she won. She's happy that she won. But more than that, we survived so long inside the house. I considered myself a misfit, and I was kind of worried initially about about her, that she might not last because she's not playing the tasks and all the way they are meant to be. But then we surprised ourselves and we surprised people, and once we came out, there's so much love. People are loving us, so it's like absolute bliss now.
So when we were in the village, my sister, my younger sister, she told me one thing, that दीदी आपको ना इंडस्ट्री में 12 से 13 साल हो गए हैं, so you are famous, but you are not that famous. So where do you see yourself placing? Because ये थोड़ा बहुत famous होने में is समझ में नहीं आता है कि how should we address this when we are out in family and when people call us and all. So after winning Big Boss and coming out and looking at the response and everything, now my sister goes, 6 महीने पहले जो मेरा stance था ना आपके लिए that you are only so famous, it has completely changed. So I think those 6 months they made my my sister's confusion come to an end. From so famous to a bit more famous, and working in that graph, it has just completely changed for her. So same is for me also.
But you know what? Being famous is a very relative thing.
Yeah, I mean,
there's always someone who's little more famous than you. There's always someone who's little less famous than someone. So I always say, whenever I've been asked this question, like almost famous, and that's one of my favorite movies.
All right, okay, and when you guys are doing a music video together, so how's the experience of just choreographing each other? Because Rubina, obviously, with her early morning dance rituals, the whole world has seen her dancing skills, and Abhinav is being a sport, and trying to dance. How is that experience of dancing together, being part of a music video?
So the funniest part, so this is the first time I'm telling anyone, the funniest part is that there was this choreography in the song which she does, and then by the end of the song I repeat that, and the brief given to me by the choreographer was that, sir, you try to dance and you can't dance so well, so it becomes funny. And that's when she realizes that, oh, at least he's making an effort. So आपको ना अच्छे से नहीं करना है. So I said, wait, buddy, wait. This comes naturally. You don't have to say anything. Just show me the step, and whatever I do would be funny. So you don't have to worry about that. मैं अच्छे से उसको कर दूंगा. It will naturally become funny. So that was the fun part. So he showed me those steps and I did, and it actually was funny, whatever,
Yes.
not that much.
I always tell him that whenever he dances, he looks cute, adorable, because he has two major left feet, and he himself, he says, I cannot dance to save my life. But when he dances, it's just pure joy that comes out of his heart, and it just fills over, and he just looks adorable.
Okay, so when I spoke to Rubina Abhinav a few days back, and she said that one of the biggest takeaways for her from Bigg Boss was the fact that she could get to know you a bit better, and the relationship has become stronger. When your relationship is so public and it is out in the open that you guys had certain differences and you have ironed them out, but people are throwing judgments at all points of time. What is that goes between the two of you, how is it important to stay together, not to get affected by too many opinions here and there? Because क्या होता है, जैसे इंडियन सोसाइटी है कि अगर बीवी की तारीफ हो रही है तो मियां को थोड़ा सा कभी-कभार लग सकता है कि यार बीवी जो है वो अभी जीत के आई है, but ideally ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए because she's extremely supportive of you, but it's tough. It is with so many judgments all around. How are you guys dealing with all these opinions and judgments that are being thrown all around right now?
I think that's what I really learned in the Bigg Boss house, that it's actually a show about how well you handle humiliation, and I have handled it so well that any sort of trolling or any sort of like negative comments, they don't affect me. So I've literally learned, I know it's a cliche, but I've literally learned how to look at the brighter side of life. Because aaj ki date mein, nobody is spared. People have opinion, they can write it down. You have the option to read it or not to read it. And you have the option of getting affected by it or not getting affected by it. So we were honest on the show. Whatever happened, it was right in front of the public. It's up to them to judge us, because we have given them that, that right to judge us. But yes, I handle any sort of trolling or any sort of negative comments or any sort of, whatever you call comments very well now.
I'll add to this that, both of us, we make a conscious effort that when in public, we are so mindful of the so-called negativity which is thrown on us, that we not only choose to, stay away from it, but we also try and build a connection with each other so strong that nothing affects us. Because somewhere we are also wanting to aspire couples to see that no matter a husband or a wife, किसी की भी success हो, एक दूसरे के लिए अहमियत उतनी ही होनी चाहिए. And he has been like one of the most strongest pillars in my success. And it's somewhere I feel, I take pride in it, that if my husband can rejoice my success and can be the reason of my success, I would want to aspire many other couples, especially in the Indian society, कैसे husbands ही successful होते हैं, wives, ये हमको एक culturally सिखाया जाता है.
No, but the tables have turned now.
Yes, exactly.
I see a lot of.
Yes, और अगर ये चीज, we being a couple, if we are not able to inspire other couples, if we are not able to inspire other others who are already in a marriage or are in a relationship and are also struggling and are also two strong individuals working in the same field, if we are not able to do that, I think we are not doing justice as public figures also, who have accepted and opened up their personal lives in front of millions. So कहीं ना कहीं हमारा ये personal responsibility भी बनता है कि यार एक दूसरे को लोगों के आगे हमें कैसे इंस्पायर भी करना है, एक दूसरे को साथ भी रखना है, और एक दूसरे की सक्सेस में we have to just equally involve ourselves, and that involvement is somewhere as an appreciation or maybe holding each other in a strong way.
So that's me, Abhinav. That's
रूबीना द लेक और आप सब देख रहे हैं बॉलीवुड हंगामा।